right, that was 2 pounds of my raw shrimp. Next, I'm coming in with 1 bell pepper that I sliced up. This is a red bell pepper, and we're kind of just throwing it in there, here and there, so that it gets evenly distributed. Oh my goodness. I absolutely love bell peppers, so we're coming in with an orange bell pepper, but you can use whatever colors you like. I'm just using what I like, and this is gonna be absolutely delicious, all in our crock pot. Last bell pepper I'm gonna add is a yellow one. Now you can add a green one if that's what you like. Like I said, you can add whatever color you like, but I'm just doing what I like, and that looks absolutely delicious. Now I have here 8 ounces of my slivered white onion, and we're putting that right in there, and our crock pot is full. Oh my goodness, the onion smells absolutely incredible. Now I have here 2 limes that I sliced up. These were really small limes, so that's why I got 2, and we're just gonna kind of get all that juice in there best we can, and then we're gonna throw those in there because they are gonna add flavor as we turn on the slow cooker. All right, now that we have all of our limes in there, I'm bringing in my original fajita seasoning. This is the Taco Bell one. I found it at Walmart, and it looks absolutely incredible. And we're gonna use this whole packet of fajita seasoning, but you can use whatever fajita seasoning you like. You can make your own. Just look up a quick little recipe. You probably already have all the seasonings in your house. And then last but not least, I have my olive oil, and we're gonna add a generous amount of olive oil to this. There is gonna be a lot of moisture already added because the crock pot just creates moisture, but we wanna make sure we get this olive oil on here because it helps that seasoning stick to all of our delicious veggies, our shrimp, our onions, our limes. Oh yeah. Okay, I added about a cup of olive oil, and now it's time to give this a mix. Okay, now I'm using shrimp for this recipe, but you can use chicken, you can use steak, you can use whatever protein you like. I just absolutely love shrimp, and I feel like it cooks so beautifully in the crock pot. It's super quick, one of the quickest, proteins to cook, which is why it is my favorite. So we're gonna go ahead and make sure that that seasoning gets coated on all of our ingredients. All right, that is well mixed, and now it is time to get cooking. I'm gonna put my lid on, and we're gonna pop this on high and let that cook. All right, it's been 2 hours on high, and I did mix it halfway. Let's go ahead and check this out. Oh my, this looks absolutely delicious. That shrimp is cooked perfectly. It smells amazing. Now, I'm wondering if you guys can guess what we just made here. Shrimp fajitas.
Oh, nice.
So we're gonna get our tortillas out. All right, I'm so ready to eat. And the best part is you can just keep this on warm and people can come and serve. It's great for game day. It's great for a potluck, whatever you want to make it for. Oh yeah, get some of those bell peppers. The onions are translucent, which means they are cooked. Get some of that delicious shrimp in there.
The aroma is outrageous.
Always. Now remember, you can top this with cheese, sour cream. You can top it with whatever you want, but I'm just gonna go for it and see how these flavors taste as is. What do you think?
Yeah, I think you just go for it.
Yeah.
Dig in.
Wow. That is so good, you guys.